Hey everyone, let's dive into Sri Lanka's recent ODI cricket triumph that has left fans buzzing. If you're a cricket enthusiast, you're in for a treat. Sri Lanka faced off against New Zealand, and it was a match that kept everyone on the edge of their seats. With a stellar performance, Sri Lanka managed to secure a win, and it was all thanks to the heroics of Kusal Mendis and Avishka Fernando. Alright, let's break it down. New Zealand batted first and posted a total of 273 runs. Not an easy target, but certainly not impossible. The Sri Lankan bowlers did a commendable job, with Lahiru Kumara and Wanindu Hasaranga taking crucial wickets to keep the Kiwi score in check. Now, the spotlight was on the Sri Lankan batters. Enter Kusal Mendis and Avishka Fernando. These two were nothing short of spectacular. Mendis, with his impeccable technique and calm demeanor, anchored the innings beautifully. He scored a brilliant 89 runs, ensuring that Sri Lanka stayed on track. His shot selection was impeccable, and he kept the scoreboard ticking. On the other hand, Avishka Fernando was the perfect partner at the crease. With his aggressive strokes and fearless approach, he kept the pressure on the Kiwi bowlers. Fernando smashed a stunning 112 runs, his century coming at a crucial time for Sri Lanka. His innings was filled with boundaries and sixes, and he made sure to capitalize on every loose delivery. Together, Mendis and Fernando built a partnership that was the backbone of Sri Lanka's chase. Their chemistry and understanding were evident as they rotated the strike efficiently and kept the scoreboard moving. It was a masterclass in batting under pressure. As the match reached its climax, the required run rate started to creep up. But Mendis and Fernando stayed calm and composed, guiding Sri Lanka to victory with just a couple of overs to spare. Their performance was a testament to their skill, determination, and teamwork. This victory was significant for Sri Lanka, as it helped them go 1-0 up in the series. The fans were ecstatic and the atmosphere was electric. Mendis and Fernando's heroics will be remembered for a long time, and this win has certainly boosted the team's confidence for the upcoming matches. So, that's the recap of Sri Lanka's thrilling ODI win over New Zealand. Kusal Mendis and Avishka Fernando, take a bow. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more cricket updates. Until next time, keep cheering for your favorite teams and players. Thanks for watching.